Hello everyone, and today here I'm going to show you my O2 Cool mini box fan. Now I bought this fan at a yard sale 2 years ago, and all I need to do is to clean up and put batteries in. And and there's the switch here. You slide it while you zoom it in. See that this fan has batteries. You can use two these style batteries or an AC adapter here, but I'm still trying to find an AC adapter for this fan, which is cheaper than batteries. And this cover can be removed by putting your finger here and here, either side, and pull it out. So easy and simple. Now this is what it looks like without the blade, without the cover. Now this fan grill reminds me of a Vornado, but even if this is just a battery fan that's portable. And I'm going to turn it on high. Okay, now let's turn it on. That's no speed. Off. Okay, that's with my O2 Cool mini box fan. Goodbye.